And of course, today we're looking at our usual pairs, which is a pound dollar, BTCUSD, and XAUUSD. And just in case you're not aware or you forgot, today is actually Monday, the 20th of July, 2026. So once again, you are welcome. All right, let's start off with pound dollar. So let's see what we'll be expecting on what's it called on pound dollar for today. I actually said I've been very much bullish on pound dollar, BTUSD, and XAUSD. I've been saying that over and over again. But that does not mean I don't think bearish trades. I think bearish trade, but then that means just for scalping. But if I want to only for long trades, I focus on bullish trades. Alright, so let's go again today. So what am I expecting today? I'm actually still somehow bullish. Now I'm marking out this structure, this level right here. Now I can actually see it, what's it called? I'm trying to get this right here. Okay, let me just go to one hour to mark that up. I'm sure you've seen the first level right here. So I can see that. So let me now adjust this a little bit. Uh, the trainer doesn't want to. Okay, I think it's better now. Okay, now picking up these two, but then I think I'm not using this trend line. Now what I'm be focusing on is the break of this internal structure right here. Now if you look at this market, actually be moving, let's say move this way. You can see the displacement down here, back, down here, pull back, then down here, break above it, down here again. Now breaking above this internal level right here. So that means that there's actually a bullish pressure around this zone. So what am I expecting? I expect the continuation of this move, there for me to go long on it. And my take profit is going to be this next level right here. I don't think I need to mark it, but just in case, for record purposes. So that means what I'm looking for is long trade. Stop loss is going to be below this level, and then take profit is around this. All right. So this is what I'll be expecting. So I'll go to my entry time, which is 15 minutes chart, to see a perfect entry, my take profit, and my stop loss. All right. So now here is another internal level. Okay. Good. So here is another internal level where I'll be looking at. Now focusing on these internal levels, that means since the market actually broke above this level, it was not able to break above. I can see it's actually tested this level, it got rejected over again, got rejected, and I can see breaking above. We can even see some reaction to that level with this indecisive candlestick right here. So that means we have a good opportunity to actually go long on this particular table. Then I'll be looking for a bullish candle fully closed out of this. If I can get a bullish candle fully closed out of this, that's when I think of going long. So that means my entry is going to come up right around here, and of course my stop loss is going to be below this previous level right here now. Okay, somewhere around this level. I'm trying to so somewhere around this level. So this is where my entry is going to be. So I always for a bullish candle fully close into this level, then I'll be targeting this level, and of course my stop loss is going to be far below this level right here. And of course, if that does not happen, if it happens to get down to here, it's still a buy opportunity depending on the formation I see around this. So please keep your fingers crossed and put pound dollar on your watch list for today, and of course probably maybe tomorrow. Let's see how the market goes. All right, that's for pound dollar. So let's go to the next one, BTC USD. So let's see, and most time whenever pound dollar is actually bullish, the other two pairs ends up still being bullish. But then remember I said most times that sometimes that it seems just to be doing almost opposite. Okay, but then let's still see what we are having right here. So it's kind of similar. You can see the same structure around that level still. So you can see this where it broke above this previous high right here. Then testing it. So let's go back to the 1 hour chart. Let's see. I will see the market continue bullish, or seeing it what's it called? Breaking into this level, they're coming back to retest this level. So that is what we'll be looking at. Now, if the market happens to continue bullish, that means it's likely to come back to retest it. But I'm still very much bullish, just what I said. So I expect the market to actually get rejected around this level, closing into this level, showing me bullish candlestick formation, fully close into this zone. That I will think of going long on BTC USD. So for now, I can actually see the market on 15 minutes chart. It's not really able to break below this level. We can see right here again. I can see another one still trying to break into this level, but then it seems to be having a lot of pressure, meeting up a lot of pressure in this zone. So let's see if the market still be able to break into this zone. But for me, I'm still actually expecting to actually give me bullish trade. So that means I'm looking for bullish trade on BTCUSD for today. But for now, there's no entry for me. So let's go to the final one on XAUUSD. Alright, why XAUUSD is loading? If this is the first time coming across my video, please do well to actually make sure you join the community by hitting the subscribe button and don't forget the bell icon to get notified once the next video is being posted. If you're watching this on Facebook and TikTok, please hit the follow button and do well to hit thumbs up, the love icon, and of course share with your colleagues if you also need this information. Alright, so that's that for BTCUSD. So let's go over to XAUUSD. You can see XAUUSD seems to be giving us bearish move around this level. So that means, are we seeing the market continue the bearish move, or are we seeing it going back to the bullish move? Let's look at this. Now, from this formation, I'm really not certain about the market giving us bullish bets. So let's go back to the 1 hour chart. All right. Just a moment. All right, so let's see. Now, well, this level right here getting rejected. Zooming in. For now, I'm not really seeing any good trade opportunity on gold. So I'm be forcing the market. So that means they are likely not to take any trade on gold for today, except the market happens to then break out of this previous level. You can see the market breaking out of this previous level. They can actually think of going long on gold. Otherwise, I'm not taking any trade on gold for today. Alright, so these are my analysis and what I'll be looking at to do probably for today, tomorrow, and as long as the market plays along with what I anticipated. So please make sure you do your own personal analysis. This is not me telling you what to do. This is my own perspective, my own view of the market. So you can just use this as a in comparison with your analysis to have a better view and a better structure of the market. That said, I wish you a profitable day trader. Please stay safe, trade safe, and don't risk more than you can afford.